Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into the world of school project management with Trello, your ultimate productivity tool for 2025. First things first, we need to set up an account. Head to Trello.com and sign up, either through Google or with an email. Easy, right? Now, the reason we do this is to have a secure, personalized space to manage all our projects and assignments. Now that we've done that, let's create our first board. Click on Create New Board and name it according to your project. You could call it History Project or Science Fair 2025, whatever works for you. This helps us because it keeps our projects separate and organized. Next up, let's add some lists to your board. These are your project stages. For example, you could have To Do, Doing, and Done. But feel free to customize this as per your project's needs. Lists help us to visualize our workflow and track progress. Once you've created your lists, it's time to add cards. Cards are your tasks or assignments. Click on Add a Card under the appropriate list and give it a descriptive name. For example, Research on Topic or Complete Draft. Make sure to attach any relevant files or links too. The reason we do this is to break down our project into manageable tasks and keep everything we need in one place. Remember, Trello is all about collaboration, so invite your team members to your board by clicking on Invite at the top of the page. This is especially important as it allows for easy communication and collaboration between team members. Lastly, don't forget to take advantage of Trello's powerful features like due dates, labels, and checklists. Set due dates for your cards, use labels for quick visual cues, and create checklists within cards for subtasks. Let me explain why this matters. These features help you stay on top of deadlines, quickly identify tasks, and further break down complex tasks into simpler ones. And there you have it. You've officially set up Trello for school project management. This tool will transform how you approach projects, making everything organized and manageable. It's time to say goodbye to stress and hello to productivity. Thanks for joining me today, and happy project managing.